My name is John Rosenthal, the chairman and founder of Stop Handgun Violence. We're unveiling today our 13th billboard since 1995. Since we put up our first billboard in 1995, in those 16 years, over 450,000 Americans have died from firearm violence.
Members of my department who feel so strongly about the work that John Rosenthal does. And I can see here when he reports these numbers and these statistics, and I think of where we stand compared to the rest of the country, and I'm very pleased. But it only makes me realize how much more we have to do.
You know, I met John in 1995. Louis Brown is one of those 450,000 young people that have been murdered. And in 1995, we were here unveiling the first billboard. 15 young people murdered every single day in the United States. That was then. Just here in Boston, from January to date, we have buried 9 young people in our community. That perpetrator who's going to get that illegal gun will be the victim tomorrow. And that's what we deal with. Each individual has a name. Each individual belongs to a community. Each individual has a family.